We're going to take a video of Sophie in the water. Mommy's going to take her shoes off. Here, Sophie, show everyone how we go in the fountain.
Ooh, we're dipping our feet in the fountain. And Sophie's getting wet.
Come in the fountain. Show everyone.
Show everybody how you go in the fountain.
Mommy and Sophie going in the fountain together.
Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Turn around. Let me see you do it turning around. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Show Daddy.
Are we happy in the fountain?
Is it sprinkling on your head? Careful. Watch your feet.
Are you getting water on your tushy? Uh-oh.
Oh, can you fill up the bucket? Fill it up. Fill it up good.
Good job.
Whoa, good for you. Mama, lift the bucket up. Sandwich fell right on the grass. Now Lolly's got to eat it. What? Here you go. Mama, fill up the bucket. You fill it up. What? If you want to go in there, you let Mommy help you. Or you want to go in there? Oh, careful, careful. When you want to go out, you have to let Mommy help you. It's slippery. Sit down, you can sit. Oh, it's like a little bath for Sophie.
What are you playing with in there? What do you have?
A plate.
A plate?
I with the cup. Here, I'll get you the bucket. Here. Watch what you're doing.
Bye-bye, Sophie.